I'm going to provide an example of how to create a Windows in Windows Server 2008. You would click Start, Administrative Tools, select Print Management. You would expand the print servers, expand the local server, select Printers, right-click, Add Printer. I'm going to add a printer, a TCP/IP with using the IP address. So click Next, type in the IP address, click Next, and I'm going to use a device type as a standard. I'm going to install new drivers. So in order to get the drivers, you have to go and set up, look for your manufacturer name, and look for the actual printer, which is HP LaserJet 2420. Click Next, and I want the printer name to be something different than the actual printer name. I want it to be LaserJet 2420, and I want to share this printer, and I want the shared name to be Account Printer. And then I'm going to provide a location, which is it's going to be located in Building 1. Click Next. And this gives all the information that we've input. And I'm done creating the printer. And now I want to list it in the Active Directory. So I'll right click on the printer, click List in Directory, and now it's listed. And also I want to set up some permissions, so I'm going to right click on the printer, go to Properties, select the Security tab. I want to remove everyone. I don't want everyone to have access to print at the printer, so I'm going to remove them. I'm going to add the accounting department and allow them to print. So you would type in the username, make sure it's listed by clicking Check Names. So I didn't type something right, so it shows it's not there. So now I'll go back and correct the spelling and Check Names, and it underlines it. Click OK, and now it's there. And it defaults to print, so I don't need to add anything. But I want to add another user, Mary Barnes. I'm going to check for her name. It underlines it, she's there. Click OK. And I want to allow her to print and manage documents, so I'll select Allow Print, Allow Manage Documents. Click OK. And I also want to deploy with group policies. So I'm going to right click, deploy with group policies, search for the GPO name by browsing accounting and then the accounting GPO. And I only want to deploy this printer connections to the users that this GPO applies to. So I'll select this box, click Add, click OK, and the printer deployment is successful. Click OK, close everything out, and I'm done.